Hello everyone, I am Subhankari and you are watching Su's Food Corner. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of an instant, protein packed, awesome dish known as Khaman Dhokla. It can be prepared in home very easily. See how fluffy it has turned out. The best part of this dish is that it is enjoyed by one and all. It has a bounce of flavors, so let's see how to make Khaman Dhokla. For Khaman Dhokla, we would be needing gram flour powder or besan, 1.5 cup, curd, it's homemade curd, 1 cup. Apart from that, grated ginger, 1 teaspoon, chopped green chili, 3 to 4, green coriander leaves chopped, 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, sugar, 2 tablespoon, and Eno fruit salt, 1 sachet. For tempering, we would need rayi or mustard seeds half teaspoon, white sesame seeds 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 7 to 8 curry leaves, 1 red chili whole, and 2 to 3 slitted green chilies in half. Lemon I have used half, salt as per taste, and oil I have used 2 tablespoons, one for preparing dhokla and other for tempering. So let's start with the process. First we need to sieve the gram flour powder. I have used a siever here. This process is important so that there are no lumps in the gram flour powder or besan. And sieving the gram flour powder also ensures a airy mixture. See this way. In this stage you can also add semolina or suji, 1 tablespoon, but I have not added, it's optional. But if you want a firm dhokla you can add, but mine turned out really well, so I had skipped the process. To this mixture add curd, grated ginger, green chilies chopped, and green coriander leaves, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon or 2 to 3 pinch, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Squeeze half a lime. Add salt according to your taste. I have added here 1 teaspoon, and mix all the ingredients to make a smooth batter. If you feel the need of water, add a bit water at this stage. As our curd was homemade, so it contained a little bit water, so I have added around 2 tablespoons more water. See, the batter should be the consistency of a idli batter. Meanwhile, place the steamer on the gas on medium flame. Let the batter rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, grease a baking pan. I have used a small one here with some oil. We'll now add Eno fruit salt to our batter. So we need to do this process really fast. After adding fruit salt, mix the batter for 6 to 7 seconds in one direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. See, by mixing the batter, my batter has doubled. Pour the batter in the cake tin and tap a bit to make it uniform or release any air bubbles. This way, as we have already prepared a steamer 10 minutes before, see, our steamer is hot. Place the cake tin inside the steamer and let the batter steam on medium flame for 25 minutes. Do not open in between. After 25 minutes, open the lid and insert a toothpick or a knife in the dhokla, and if it comes out clear, then our dhokla is ready. See, my knife is clear, so my dhokla is perfect. But if your knife is sticky, then you can always steam it for more 3 to 4 minutes or 5 to 6 minutes. Place the pan on a wire rack and let it cool. After 10 to 15 minutes, I have just used a knife and use it sidewise so that the dhoklas leave the sides really well. Put a plate on top and turn it upside down and tap a bit, and voila, our dhokla has turned out really well. By seeing the kit tin, you can know how beautifully the dhokla has steamed. I'll show you the edges. It's perfect, it's firm. Now I'll cut the dhokla to diamond shapes. You can cut to any shape according to your wish. See, I'll show you this way. The dhokla is extremely spongy, soft. I'll show you how spongy it is. I have used a butter knife, and as I press it, see how it bounces back. It's perfect, spongy. Now let's do the tempering. For tempering, heat a pan on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon oil. When the oil is heated, we'll add 1 dry chili. I have just made it half and added it. Curry leaves 7 to 8. Rice seeds half teaspoon. Cumin seeds 1/4 teaspoon. Green chili slitted in half 3 to 4. When it is roasted for 5 to 6 seconds, add white sesame seeds and 50 ml of water. Now this water is really important as it would make a syrup. The dhokla is already soft, but we need to make it juicy. So for making soft and juicy dhoklas like we get from market, the tempering should be perfect. We'll add half teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt and mix the tempering. So the whole funda here is dhokla has all flavors. Lemon, from lemon we get lemony flavor, sugary flavor from sugar, and salt. So 3 flavors you can get from dhokla, and it's really yummy. Now when the tempering is ready, the water boils. Add the tempering on the dhokla pieces this way and spread it evenly. You can also add fresh grated coconut here, but I didn't have, so I have not added here. And sprinkle some coriander leaves. I have served the pieces on a platter and served with green chutney and tomato ketchup. Sprinkled some green coriander leaves. See, who would not love this soft, yummy, spongy packets of protein rich? See, I hope you have liked my video. Do try this recipe. And if you have liked the video, press the like button. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.